Will resetting my higher washing machine solve common problems like leaks or strange noises?
Hello, everyone. Today we're here to discuss a common question many hire washing machine owners have. Will resetting my hire washing machine solve common problems like leaks or strange noises? This topic is especially important when we need to ensure our machine is running smoothly, prolong its lifespan, and avoid unnecessary maintenance costs.
Why would you reset your washing machine?
Resetting your washing machine can be a simple, yet effective, troubleshooting method to clear some electronic glitches or minor system errors. Just like our smartphones and computers, our washing machines too, which are now equipped with complex electronic systems, can benefit from a quick reset. However, it's important to note that resetting won't necessarily fix all types of issues. Certain problems such as leaks and strange noises can be signs of mechanical issues that need to be addressed separately.
How to reset your higher washing machine?
Resetting a higher washing machine is simple. First, switch off the washing machine and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 1 minute, then plug it back in and switch it on. This procedure can resolve minor electronic issues that may have been causing performance hitches.
Will a reset fix leaks and noises?
While resetting can solve some minor electronic issues, it typically won't solve problems like leaks and strange noises. These are often symptoms of more serious hardware problems. Leaks can be due to loose connections, damaged seals, or issues with the pump, while strange noises can come from problems with the drum, motor, or bearings. These are issues that usually require a professional inspection and potentially part replacement. It's always recommended to consult a professional when you encounter such problems to prevent further damage. So, to answer our initial question, while resetting your higher washing machine can potentially resolve some minor electronic glitches, it is not the universal solution for all types of problems, such as leaks or strange noises. These are typically signs of more serious issues that require the attention of a professional. We hope this video has helped clarify some doubts, and remember, when in doubt, always consult with a professional to ensure the health and longevity of your washing machine. Thank you for watching.